So when you look at the exhibits today, one of my takeaways, it's a great reminder that STEM is more than just numbers. STEM really is, it's innovation, it's creativity, it's that problem solving. So when you look at the exhibits and displays that are here, we see the body molding of organs. We also see art. So you see a little bit of everything. And what it does, again, it's a reminder, STEM is more than just numbers. It encompasses so much of what we do.
My name is Maria Montgomery. I'm in 12th grade.
I've always been more inclined to the humanities side of education, but I do have an interest in things like biology and stuff like that. So I hope that especially my environmental systems and societies class will allow me to continue to seek that knowledge in the future.
I really hope that these young ladies take away some of the lessons learned, right, from other women who have been in their shoes before. I really also hope that they get to know each other, network with one another, because one of the most important parts about being a woman in this type of field is to have that support network and lean on one another during those tough times and really persevere through. So I really hope they walk away passionate, excited, ready for tomorrow, and doing so, lock in step with each other.